We have got one of the most sought after, most desirable cars of the entire muscle car era, 1970 Plymouth Cuda Hemi car. And this right here is one of the best examples in the country. It comes with the Galen Govier report. He's the Mopar guru. He personally inspected this car in 2008. It was a pre-purchase inspection. And he literally says in here it's restored to the maximum possible condition. Quality of this car is phenomenal. He told the potential buyer at that time, if you don't buy it, I have 20 people that will buy this car just based on my report. So the point I'm making is it's exceptionally nice. Factory Rallye Red comes with other documentation as well. And it has the elastomeric body color bumpers. The car was born like you see it. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 beautiful collector cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the information, pictures, videos, financing. It's all at volocars.com. There's a QR code on the screen. You can scan at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. And then there's a link in the description. They'll do the same. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I would say it looks brand new, but I don't think it looked this good when it was brand new. The fit and finish is amazing. I highly doubt that the paint was like red glass like what we see here. So every body panel is precise. The fit and is flush and square. There's not a ripple, not a defect or flaw that I've seen anywhere. You're always welcome to come see it. There's no hairline cracks, no dents, no waves, no bubbles or bodywork showing. Door jambs are mint. Shuts like a new Mopar. All the quarter panels way down behind the tire, all nice and clean. Trunk fits beautifully. It's all straight. And again, elastomeric bumpers. I think I'm saying it the right way. They're not metal. Some kind of like rubber material, and they're color matched to the car, like I said, front and back. It's a factory Rallye Red car. And again, polished like glass. It was born with the Hemi hockey stick stripes. That's on the paperwork as well. All of the trim, including the Cuda gills at the bottom, all of it is restored or replaced. All the moldings, all the weather strips. It has the dual racing mirrors. All the glass is real clear. The windshield looks like new. I'm sure it's a reproduction, but it's a 1970 transportation sticker that was put in the windshield. It's kind of a neat feature. The hood pins are tucked in. Didn't want them scratching the paint, so they are there. Now, from what I understand, only the red cars came with a red shaker. All the other colors came with an argent silver shaker. So that's correct. The grille's restored beautifully. It has the road lamps down below. That's part of the Cuda package. It has the original antenna. Rallye wheels, 15-inch Rallye wheels look like new, wrapped in reproduction Polyglas GT tires. Door handles look like new. I don't know if I opened this door or the other door. I think I skipped one of them. They both shut real nicely. It has the Mopar logo on the glass. The tail panel's in excellent shape. The tail lights, everything is just pristine on the exterior. And I'm going to show you the interior lives up to the exterior. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Looks like brand new, all slick red. Every item you see is going to be in excellent shape. The weather strip is replaced. It has the collapsible spare with the air bottle. And again, look how every component is restored. It has the complete jack assembly with the lug wrench. And the whole inside of the trunk compartment is gloss red. Has the right mat. Just an absolutely pristine trunk compartment. It's clean and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, they really don't get better than this one. Jambs are slick, bottom of the doors are clean, weather strips are replaced, and they fit properly. Door panels are mint condition, so are the armrests, window cranks. It's like going back to 1970. All of this is real nice. Couple light scratches in the wood grain. When you got the Rallye dash, you got the wood grain, you got all the gauges. It has a working clock, original AM radios in place. And you got this red lever down here. You pull it and it opens up the ram air on the shaker. The dash pad is mint. All this is just nice and clean, tidy. The kick panels, the carpet has embroidered mats. The center console's in excellent shape, has a slapstick shifter. The seats have real nice cushion. They're upholstered very nicely. Has all the seat belts. Everything's looking good back here. The floor mats, seat belts, upholstery, the side panels, all mint. And again, everything's fitting properly. The rear shelf is excellent. Then the headliner is excellent, not wrinkled. Got working dome light. We got the shoulder belts, the visors, even has the steering lock instructions. And then this is really cool here, deluxe wheels, a rim blow horn. Pretty good looking steering wheel with the Barracuda logo in the middle of it. So yes, the interior lives up to the exterior. Under the hood is detailed out, factory correct specs. That is a properly dated 426 Hemi, has the right casting codes, the right dates, and it is actually VIN number matching. It is a restamp on the VIN pad, so it is a correct motor. That big air cleaner hides a lot, hides the two big 4 barrels that are underneath there, all factory correct. Even the Chrysler spark plug wires, crinkle finish valve covers, reproduction hoses, and all the right clamps and brackets. You can see the engine bay is painted beautifully. Has the horns. Is this a washer bottle? Yeah, that's the washer bottle there. All the brackets, pulleys, alternator looks right. Has a Chrysler radiator. Here's the hood pins. They're just kind of tucked out of the way. Now the hidden VIN number, very important. It's behind the core support here. That matches the VIN number on the car. We have the original fender tag, which Galen did decode. Battery's properly secured. It does have a Mopar battery topper. It has the power steering with the little cooling package on it. Even the orange overspray on the battery cable has overspray. It's how the factory did it. So power steering, power brakes, has a restored wiper motor, and then the VIN number is also stamped up on the cowl. So you got the hidden numbers match. Under the hood is looking really good. Michael is going to take you for a drive, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Hemi Cuda, baby. I'm totally excited. What a special treat just to be able to drive this car around the block. So I am way jealous of the lucky person that is going to buy this car. It started real nice for me in the showroom. Just got a clean idle. You guys can hear back there over the bumps and cracks how tight the suspension is. No clunks, no rattles, no funky noises. Easy power steering. She's still got a good feel on the road. Let's see what she's got. All right. Now we're doing 60 miles an hour just like that. What a good old time. Not every day you get to drive a Hemi car. And I'll tell you, it really is at the top of my list, just like so many other enthusiasts out there as far as, you know, dream cars go. But you can see here that she runs and drives just fine. And yeah, somebody's gonna have a great time and make a really smart investment, I think, too. So come down and take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So this car was flipped on a rotisserie. It's just a shiny underneath. All the floors, the frame rails, pristine metal, the same gloss red finish. Every component, every little clamp and clip, all replaced, all the suspension, steering, and it's all done to stock specs. All redone, even the exhaust system. It's all fresh looking, and it has the Pentastar logos on the mufflers, so they're reproduction mufflers, and even has the tube resonators back in the tailpipes that you never see, the correct square tips going out through the rear valance. Brake system was all redone, disc in front, e-brakes hooked up. The fuel system was all replaced. So underneath the car looks like brand new. And the car functions as well as it looks. The fellow that we got it from is a car collector, and he's like, Jay, this just brought me back to driving my dad's cars back in the day. He said it just felt like brand new, functioned exactly the way it should. So one of the best 1970 Plymouth Cudas you'll find anywhere. It's sitting right here. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, like how to get it delivered to your door, and it could be sitting in your garage. Thanks for watching.